Today, we'll be making pumpernickel rye bread. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. To a large bowl of bread flour, add in whole wheat flour and rye flour. Then add in vital wheat gluten, cocoa powder, salt, and caraway seeds. Mix it all together. And optionally, you can add in ground coffee to help with the color. Today, I'll be using a bread machine, but you can use a stand mixer or even knead by hand. So for our wet ingredients, add water, molasses, and then add in our dry ingredients. Then finally, add in your yeast, and then we can move it over to our bread machine. Today, we'll be using the dough cycle. If using a stand mixer, let it knead for 15 minutes and rest for an hour and a half. Once your dough begins to form, add in 1 teaspoon of oil, then let it knead and rest until the dough cycle is complete. Once finished, we'll take out our dough, flatten it, and roll it into a large rectangle. And gently roll it into a log and pinch the seams. With the seam facing down, place it into your tin and let it rise for another 30 minutes. Now bake at 350 for 45 minutes. And there you have it, your pumpernickel rye bread. Let it cool completely before slicing and enjoy.